started the ascent here. It's also hunting grounds, but there ain't nobody parked at the bottom. I would think that there'd be anybody up here hunting. It's also out of season. Look at that view though. It's absolutely beautiful. Starting to snow on me a little bit here. According to my God man, this right here should be where I'll start my ascent. Hopefully he's right. Hopefully I'm right. Let's find out. Well, sounds like somebody down there is having a hard time getting up. Should have been driving a Kia. But as you can see, I'm following these boys' tracks from where they came before. I'm hoping I'm on the right track, but there's only way and it's up, so we'll see what happens. About halfway up the mountain now. You can see how steep it is. I got my head sitting level right now. I'm panning. It's steep, but hopefully it's rewarding. So y'all can see what I'm doing. I don't know how well the camera's picking that up, but I'm following Ben's old tracks. He's been going up the mountain, doing switchbacks on his own. There's so many limbs and stuff. Keep getting hung up on my GoPro. I'm just trying to follow where they went. It looks to me like they went the other way. It's a cross section. The deer have been up here like crazy. But just trying to conserve my energy here. It's snowing. It's a long way down. I'm about 3/4 way up, close to the spine, which is good. Alright guys, I'm back. I don't know how well the GoPro's picking this up, but the snow here, I can't even hit the bottom. It's probably about a foot and a half deep. It's pretty crazy up here. It's still snowing. It's not as bad though. I can almost see the top up there. Check in later. I think this is a good time to just show some good footage. What I'm hiking here. I'm really hoping this GoPro's getting this. There's no telling how deep this snow is here. Look at these drifts. They've got to be foot and a half deep. Alright guys, I see the top. Just crawling my way up. Alright guys, I'm almost here. The last 3 minutes have been harder than the last hour and a half. It's a lot colder up here too. Whew. This will be a wondrous stop. But I am officially at the top. This is absolutely insane, and I'll probably do this sometime again, just not this mountain. My descent, I would stay up here longer, but looks like a blizzard's moving in. I don't want to get trapped up here with a blizzard, so I brought enough supplies to last me 2 days up here, including a 0-degree sleeping bag, tent and everything, just in case. I'd rather be prepared than not, but it shouldn't be too hard going down. These rock faces are what's the worst, because the ice accumulates on the rocks. So I'm going to try to avoid being on them as much as possible. Now guys, going up is a lot harder than going down. I've already done what would take 30 minutes to go up and about 5 minutes going down. So that's a very, very good thing. Hopefully the road won't be packed with ice and snow by the time I get back, but I don't know. It's been snowing pretty steady for the last hour or two since I've been up here. I was told it was snowing pretty hard in Boone too, but I know that all the roads are salted. To get here, it's like a 20-minute drive from Boone off of a dirt road, and all the land is public game. Well, it's private game land, but the owner lets people hunt it through the wildlife, so that's pretty interesting. This has been a magnificent journey, and I'm very glad that I got up with Ben to do this. A good backcountry hike is something I've been needing for sure. So far I'm still pretty dry, but we'll see how I am by the time I get to the bottom. Guys, this is getting a little hairy. I think I'm on the right track, but I'm not really sure. It has to be, because I know that too sure me and Ben and his friends are the only ones that's been up here. And I did take a gander, not documenting where I've been, but I think that I'll be good. Taking a little shortcut here. I thought I was lost for a second, but I was anticipating a switchback with my feet, and it just kept going around the mountain. I started to panic a little bit, but we're all good. I'm gonna try to video all of this on the rest of the way down, but I think my GoPro might be done here soon. There is no official trail here. It is all just hearsay and footprints. I am about halfway down now. Snow's falling pretty hard. I'm loving it. I absolutely love this. This is the most wonderful thing I've ever done, I believe.